Here we have a 2014 Volkswagen Jetta 2 TDI SE. It is a Cat S, damage repaired. We took it in part exchange. Looks like a decent job, to be honest with you. Don't know where it was repaired from. The only criticism I would have is probably alloy wheels. If you're fussy, could do with a refurb, but the rest of the car, it's in excellent condition for what it is. It's got 66,000 miles, it's got part service history. It's an SE, so you got half leather, half cloth interior, climate control, cruise control. It is an automatic. Lovely car, to be honest with you. You've got a decent sized boot in it as well. As you can see, it goes all the way back here. Sorry with the sunlight. Plus you can fold the seats down, so you've got like a hatchback kind of thing. It's got sensors front and rear. Lovely car actually for a 2014. As you can see, you've got the dark grey with a light cloth interior, unmarked, no scratches or rips anywhere. Clean car, to be fair. Got a Belinda car light in the background. I believe it's a 7-speed automatic. Low mileage, diesel automatic. Hope you enjoy the video.